Okay, so now that we've done a straight stitch and now that we've done a French knot, we're going to combine them and do what's called a pistil stitch. So for this one, you're going to want to wrap in a specific, you're going to want to wrap around away from you because you want your needle to cross, or you want your knot where it's closing your knot to cross the straight stitch line. So, and you want to hold the tension so that it kind of crosses over. So this thread, as it closes, is crossing over this thread, which is wrapped. And we want to do that because then it keeps this tension and it secures this straight line down where you want it. So if we don't do that, then the straight line sometimes loses its tension. So we're wrapping away from us. So you're pushing that direction. And then the way that you know you've done it correctly is you want to be able to see when this thread closes, it's going to come down over top of the line that you have to hold that line, like this straight stitch line, in place. So do you see how it's kind of created like a T shape? That's what you want. You want that thread that's closing right now to close on top of that straight stitch, which then keeps this tension tight. If it was on the other side, this would come down over here and it would leave that straight stitch too loose because then it would unravel. Okay, so hopefully that helps. Clarify, it's a little bit finickier because you have to hold your tension on the straight stitch. You want to keep that T shape and really hold that tension tight enough that this strand doesn't come undone. So very much like the French knot, but with even more emphasis on the tension.